Howdy everyone, welcome to OVID. We're about 1,400 feet up above the valley floor. It's Napa Valley behind us, over on the east side of the valley. It's mid-July and we are ramping up. We're about 6 weeks away from reds, roughly, and maybe 4 weeks away from whites. So harvest is right around the corner. As a reminder, we only get to do this once a year, so it's prep, 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 and then action. The exciting things that are happening right now, like what are we doing to get ready? What's happening in the winery? To start, we're trying to finish the 2025 blends and get those into barrel and get that to bed before harvest hits. We've got new interns starting. So this week, Ali is a local and Josh from South Africa joined us. Super excited to have those guys. Lovely, lovely team, and always fun to have a little new character, new ideas, and fresh perspective here. We've got meetings. You know, it's about 90% preparation and cleaning and 10% fun, but that 10% is super fun. Makes it all worth it. And then just basically prep. So rack some wines, put them together, put it to barrel, put tanks together, make sure we've got things ready and prep for harvest, make sure all the equipment runs, it's been serviced and ready to go, and make sure that everyone's got a smile on their face and having a good time.